To another episode of Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is our vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today, looking for what?
Free plants.
How are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
That's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. But somebody else is out to get them. Who?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They come along and crush up all the plants if we don't get to them first. And also, I have an appointment in Orlando this morning. It's about 6:15 right now, and I have to be in Orlando by 9 o'clock. That's 100 miles from here. So Teddy and I really got to get going, eh, bud?
Yeah.
So we will get back with everybody when we get something good. All right, we just rolled up on the first find of the day. What do we got, bud?
We got a Dracaena.
Nice. And Dracaena is super easy to root from cuttings. Literally just have to poke it in the ground. Oh, those are some nice cuttings.
Yeah.
Looks like there's even more. We'll see how much we're gonna grab here, but we're definitely gonna save some of these from the trash. All right, so we are rolling up on just a beautiful plumeria tree here. I mean, look at that thing. I can smell it from here, can't you?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, it is so gorgeous. Look at that. Look at all the flowers in it. And that's probably the most fragrant variety, wouldn't you say?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, is that a plumeria right there?
Yeah.
Another one? So we got kind of a yellow one back there, and then we got this pinkish white one here. This one doesn't smell quite as strong. Wow, that's pretty too though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Jeez, you just can't beat that. So cool. All right, we got find number 2. What do we got?
A Dracaena.
Another Dracaena. This is a different variety than the first one we found. Again, this is super easy to root from cuttings. Oh, that's a good one. That's a nice looking cutting. Oh, we got 2 of them. All right. We'll definitely save those. All right. This is our kind of people. Hey, bud.
Yeah.
Look at that. Free plants in little pots, too. So don't take them all.
Yeah.
Let's leave some for somebody else. They look like Caribbean agaves, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. And Caribbean agave is a real prolific plant. There's no wonder why they have lots of these little pups here, but we'll definitely save one of those. Awesome. Oh no, here's our competition. Did they already get all these? Doesn't look like they got these. Oh, it's just the trash guy. All right, we're lucky. All right, kiddo, what you got?
Got some corn plant.
Well, we got a whole pile of corn plant here. We could plant like a corn plant forest. Look, there's more of it over there too.
Yeah.
So this is one we can easily root from cuttings, so we'll save a couple of these from the trash.
Yeah.
All right, we just rolled up on a whole trash can full of bromeliads. Oh, that's a nice sized bromeliad too. I like that.
Yeah.
Not too big, not too small. Wow, look at them all. There's a whole trash can of them. We'll definitely save some of those from the trash. All right, we got a bin here full of Mexican sunflower.
Yeah.
And this one's great because we can root it from cuttings, and it's also a nitrogen fixer, so we can plant it in the garden, then chop it up and put it around all of our plants for free food. All right, excellent. Your mom is going to be stoked about that.
Yeah.
So we'll definitely save some of that from the trash. All right, kiddo, what'd you spot?
I got some dragon fruit.
Nice.
Let me grab this one.
You can see this dragon fruit. There it is, and you can see it growing right here. This is a different variety than like what commercial growers would grow, but it still has yummy little fruits. You can see it's flowering all over there too. So we'll definitely save some of that from the trash. All right, we just rolled up on some golden pothos vine right here. This is a super tropical one. Gets big, huge, tropical looking leaves. In fact, these leaves are only like 1/3 or 1/4 of the size that they'll turn into. Super cool tropical plant. And look, it has some roots on it.
Yeah,
So
not that it needs it.
Yeah, we'll definitely save that one from the trash. All right, so we already found some Dracaena today, but these look like even better cuttings,
Yeah.
I'd say. Yeah, definitely. But they're just so easy to root from cuttings too, so we'll save a couple of these from this pile. All right, this cat is not happy that we're going through its trash. Well, he looks mad, doesn't he?
Yeah.
He's like,
He stopped right when we started talking.
He's like, get out of here. You better leave. Oh no. All right, If Teddy and I could fit this on our golf cart, you better believe we'd be taking it home.
I think we
hey,
can.
Bud, you think?
I think we can fit it. Just throw it up top.
All right, we're gonna get out and see if we can strap it on somehow. What do we have behind here, buddy?
A bromeliad.
Yes, nice giant orange bromeliad. And this one looks like it's in sorry shape, but if we plant it, it will shoot off little offspring. So we'll definitely save that one for the trash. Okay, so this looks like just a pile of dead palm fronds, but Teddy spotted under there. What you got, bud?
One giant plumeria.
A giant, whoa, that is like a whole plumeria tree.
But
Yeah, but we don't need the whole tree, yeah. So if we can plant this one from cutting super easily. I can't tell. Oh, it's probably, oh, they got several different varieties in their yard. So who knows who knows what color it is, but we can definitely root that one easy from cutting. So we'll save that from the trash. Oh, look at this little guy. We got a little box turtle. Just crossing the road. Oh, he's fast, isn't he?
yeah.
All right, be on your way. Be safe, little guy. All right, so we made it back to the house.
Yeah.
We actually made it back yesterday.
Yesterday morning.
Yeah. So we barely made it back to the house yesterday. I had to jump in the car and head to Orlando, like I said earlier. I was there all day yesterday. So Teddy and I didn't get a chance to finish our video till today. So here we go. Let's show everybody what we got. What we get.
Okay, let's start with this.
Oh, you need some gloves, bud?
I can grab it. I think,
Okay.
if I grab it from the base.
Yeah. Bromeliads are super spiky. He's right though. If you grab them from the base and you're careful, you can get it. So here we go. So
A big orange bromeliad.
a giant orange bromeliad. So this looks pretty pathetic right
Which
now.
is.
Yeah, but like I said earlier, if we plant this, you can see it already shot off this one and it flowered. But if we plant this, even though it's dying, it will almost 100% of the time shoot off
Yeah.
more little offspring.
This has cool flowers also.
Oh, it does. This is the one.
Bromeliads,
Is this the one with the?
the big, tall orange.
Yeah, the
iron
orange.
one.
Yep.
Bromeliads, like when they're the less colorful the actual plant is, the more colorful the flower is. But this one's weird.
Yeah.
The plant's real colorful and the flower is.
Yeah, there's a lot of we have a lot of bromeliads. We collect bromeliads. I don't know if I have any right around here. I just kind
Pineapples.
of thinned the garden. Oh yeah, we do have the pineapples.
Those are bromeliads.
There's a bromeliad right there. Got a couple more back
The
here.
only edible one out of like 4,000.
Yeah, only edible bromeliad. Yeah. Here's some more bromeliads right here.
Yeah.
I don't know. We probably have how many? Like, oh, here, look, this one's flowering. It's got some little flowers.
Yeah. But see, those are lamer than
Yeah.
some of the other
Yeah, those
ones.
orange spikes. That's the one that has like the big orange spike that
It'll
comes
get
out
like
of it.
this tall.
Yeah. Do I have any of those that are flowering? We got a big
We
purple
got a
one
miracle
here.
fruit on the tree.
Where?
Right there. I just
Oh
saw
yeah,
that.
we do. Oh man, good eye. This one right here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Y'all have never tried miracle fruit.
I'll
It's
be eating that after the video.
yeah, eating that and squirting lemon juice. If you've never tried that before, they're crazy. It's kind of a novelty fruit, I would say,
Yeah.
but it's still fun.
They make.
Maybe you should wait for your friends to come over tomorrow.
Oh yeah, that'd be fun. But they make sour stuff taste sweet.
Yeah.
And I accidentally ate pasta after it once.
Oh,
It was
gross.
the worst. It was horrible. But,
All right, what else you got?
we got this. Is
Oh, the Mexican sunflower.
it
Oh
looks
man,
even
I guess
sorrier.
we probably
We should
should
have put it in water or
yesterday.
something.
Yeah. All right. So.
So here's
this-
the Mexican sunflower.
Yeah. So this one's a chop and drop that we can use. It's a nitrogen fixer.
I guess we
think.
might as well just throw it on the plants right now.
Yeah. Yep. You're right. We should. Just throw it on one of the bananas, I guess.
Should I snap it more?
I would. That would be great. I'm gonna show everybody over here what it looks like when it's not dead. I have some planted over here. Let's see, right here. And you can see we're kind of in full shade here. This plant likes full sun, but it's still doing all right. Well, you can see we've already cut a bunch of it off. All right, what else we got? What'd you do with that? Did you put it on a?
I just put it around this banana.
All right, great,
I guess that was worth it.
perfect. Yeah, all right. All right, what do we got next? I know we got a lot of Dracaenas this trip.
There's Dracaenas everywhere.
Yeah.
We got first the Dracaena marginata.
So hold on, yeah, hold on. Teddy's right there though. We showed y'all these that we found on camera, but we passed so many piles of Dracaena. Remember that one huge pile we passed?
Yeah, probably
I think I got a picture
the
of it, didn't
thumbnail
I?
of this video.
Yep. Yes. Yep. it was all Dracaenas. It was crazy. Crazy, crazy. All right, so which one you got?
The Dracaena marginata. This is a really cool one. First one we ever had planted. We got it with this house.
Yeah, we did. I didn't even know what it was.
Yeah,
I was like,
you're
oh
like
my
the
God.
Dr. Seuss trees.
Yeah. All right, cool.
Okay.
We're from North Georgia, so everything we find here is totally different than what I grew up with. You got more? More Dracaenas?
This is the one that's sometimes known as the dragon tree.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it is. Yep. Oh, that's a good one. I like that one.
I like it too.
Is that one?
It's not that one.
It's not this
Not
one.
that
It's not either of these.
There's
That's
the marginata.
Yeah, there's this big one in between the bananas. Here's the marginata. That's a different one.
That's
You're
like a
right.
Christmas one.
Same with this one over here. That's a different
Yeah,
one.
but that one gets big
Yeah.
like those.
Yeah, I like this. No, I don't think this one gets quite
Oh
as
wait,
big.
no, they're the
this
ones that get this tall.
Yep, that's the one we have by the pool.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, what else you got?
We got probably the sorriest plant other than the Mexican sunflower. Got
The
this
little plumeria. We don't know.
I think it was yellow. There was a
Okay.
yellow one with
Yeah, but there
cuttings.
was a purple one.
That was cut off also.
Oh, you saw cuttings on the plant in the
I
yard?
think I did.
Okay, so maybe
We
it's a
might want
yellow
to plant
one.
it just in case.
So it was probably like this one right here?
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, what else we got?
We got this bin's done, but we got more dragon tree.
More dragon tree, yeah. That looks like the same one, yep.
Yeah, from a different pile though.
And again, all this stuff you can root from cuttings. Well, this one we have roots, so we don't need to root from cuttings.
Guess I might as well get this one over with.
What is it? Oh, the dragon fruit. Yes. So this is like, I think this might be a native kind of dragon fruit around here. You'll see it up in the cabbage palms, and some people call it the night blooming cactus, but I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure.
it's a dragon fruit.
Yeah, well, it has. We've eaten the fruits
Yeah.
off of it. They're delicious.
They're delicious.
They're littler though than the store bought dragon fruits that you'll get. All right, what you got?
Corn palm?
Yes,
Corn plant?
corn plants. There was a huge pile of that too, wasn't there? Like a
Yeah.
massive pile.
No, there's like 3 cans.
Yeah, yeah. That's a super easy one to root from cuttings. We got a rare corn plant once.
Uh-huh.
Or not rare, but rare for us.
It's
I don't know
cool.
how rare it is. I think it's in here somewhere, right?
Yeah, there was also some back in there. There.
There it is. Yeah, it's like a variegated one. We've only found this like maybe twice. Oh,
Oh,
it's a
squirrel.
Yep,
Or raccoon.
probably a squirrel.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, look, is that orchid about to bloom right here?
Yep.
Oh, it looks like it is. Oh, your mom's gonna be excited. All right. What else we got?
Pothos?
Pothos. Yeah, there we go. I know we got, let me see, what do our cuttings look like? Again, we probably should have gotten
Very good
some
Hawaiian
water
pothos.
yesterday.
Yeah.
They sat in the cans in the golf cart while I went to the city. Here's some pothos though right here. You can see how big and tropical these leaves
Yeah.
can get. They're so cool.
Also, though, people as a house plant, they'll stay like this size.
Yep. Yep. I like it like that too. That's
Yeah.
cool. I guess because that doesn't have as much sun. I
Sun.
don't know why that one hasn't gotten
I don't know, that one's
bigger yet. All right, is that it? We we got some
no,
more
no.
stuff. What else do we have?
More pothos. Let's see, what else? Here, a bromeliad.
Oh yeah, that was a nice sized bromeliad. These are great too, but this is a nice kind of medium sized one. I wonder what the flower on this one looks like. I bet it's
yeah,
cool.
I bet it's awesome.
So we'll plant that. It'll shoot off some offspring for us. Oh, you got more of them?
Yeah.
Sweet. I like bromeliads. I've heard people say that they're afraid to plant them because of mosquito larvae, because bromeliads, like the one I showed you earlier, their cups hold water.
A lot of water.
Yeah, so I've read, I haven't tried it before. I haven't really noticed an increase in mosquitoes from them. And I feel like we either have mosquitoes or we don't. Like it's just a seasonal thing or based on the rain and the seasons. But I read a University of something study where they put like a drop of cooking oil in the cup of each bromeliad, and that apparently forms like a layer on the water that
really?
prevents mosquitoes
And
from...
it's natural.
Yep, it's natural. Yep. All right, was that it?
Yeah.
Did you pull anything else out that we haven't talked about?
Just more corn plants and
Okay.
bromeliads.
Oh no, and we got this too.
Oh, yes.
Remember, one of our neighbors They were kind enough to pot up a bunch of these little Caribbean agaves.
And say free.
Yep, and they have, oh look, we got a little 2-for-1 deal there.
Nice.
She had like, what, like
20?
Yeah, there's a lot of them. And those agaves grow like crazy.
We love them, though.
They spread like crazy
agaves.
too. All right, cool. Let's see. What do you think your favorite plant is? What's the plant of the day?
Dragon fruit, because it gives us fruit.
Yeah.
Or maybe, I like this bromeliad. It's a nice size.
Yeah.
And
who knows
pothos
what the
is always
flower?
cool.
Yeah. Who knows in the flower on that one too? It might be super cool.
We'll have to plant
Oh,
some.
we're definitely gonna have to. All right, cool. Well, all right, everybody watching out there, let us know down below what your favorite plant that we found today is. We got these bromeliads. Look sorry, but again, like we'll plant this and we'll definitely get some offspring off of it, and then everything else here we can just like poke right in the ground, and it will sprout.
Yeah.
It'll.
You can throw a bromeliad on the ground.
Yeah.
Same with bromeliads.
I know. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed our adventure here today. If you did, maybe you consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's going to happen, bud?
My brother's snake's going to attack you.
Yeah, he will. He's crazy, too. We just watch him eat a mouse, and he just... whoosh. He's a killing machine. All right, so you might want to avoid that and consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.